Welcome viewers to a series of documentaries on the Gen Z and President's supremacy. At times, peer pressure exerts powerful influence on us. At other times, we want to be accepted by them because no one savours the bitter taste of being rejected. At times, you might be tempted to conform to your peer pressure standards just to avoid their disapproval, which is a very serious problem. Okay, the Gen Z were on the streets the other day, fighting for the rights of Kenyans. They claim that the president has been making a show of going against time, fronting his unconventional ideas and unorthodox ways, so they thought that he only wanted attention and that he looked down upon Kenyans. So they looked for ways to punish him for making people feel inferior. They wanted him to behave like others. To some extent, they were right. According to Deuteronomy number 17, verses 18 to 20, the king is told to write for himself a copy of the biblical rules. It is to be with him, and he is to read it all the days of his life, that he may run to revere the Most High and follow carefully all the words of this law and these decrees, and not consider himself better than his brothers, so that he may not turn away from the law, from to the right or to the left. Kenya is a democratic country, and with democracy you can say whatever you want. Is it wrong to tell the president that he's deceiving the citizens? Is it true that a quick glance the president's talk seem to make believable that clearly violates all rules of common sense? Impossible figures are not the only things that appear different from what they really are. This is why we pay taxes, for the authorities are servants of the Most High, who give their full time to governing, to give everyone what you owe him. If you owe taxes, pay taxes. If revenue, then revenue. If honor, then honor. Romans number 13, verses 1 to 4. And now I want to give you two more witnesses. That is Titus number 3, verse 1. Reminded people to be subjected to rules and authorities, to be obedient to the need, to be ready to do whatever is good. First Kepha number 2, verse 13. Submit yourself for the Creator's sake to every authority instituted among men, whether the king, the president as the supreme authority, or to governors. Brethren and sisters, make no mistake. There's no sportsmanship in this game.